million.
Yeah, it's so many fucking tabs open, bro. Like that shit heavy hella fucking. They have knee stress, bro. Like you gotta get through all that fucking. You're not gonna even be able to get through all that fucking shit, bro. Okay, well, oh wait, you said PPI was 830 though, right? If
Yeah.
that's the case, then like liquidity sweep or we go just target the fucking high, no? Yo, what's up, Fugas? What's up, Mizu? Yo, what a beep high Bipinder? Yo. How we doing, guys? Yo. Oh, we got 5 people in here already. That's fucking good. Hey, we gotta get back to our peak form. Which was, listen, I remember fucking 30 viewers we had, bro, one time, bro. That shit was crazy, bro.
Was it not 40?
Oh wait, was it? Wait, was it actually 40?
I think so. I think it was closer to like 45,
Oh
42,
fuck,
something like that.
fuck. All right, we gotta get back to that. Hey, share with your friends and family, guys. We gotta get the stream back up. All right, guys, let's close out the week good. I'm looking for potential longs. PPI swing high is up here. Data highs are up here. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me check the 4-hour. What's the 4-hour doing? Pretty aggressive sell off. Down here. Okay, we're in a 1-hour gap. So we're in a 1-hour gap. Okay. This looks good for long. Potentially liquidity sweep at Asia low. Kind of, somewhat. Yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna send it long just to see if anything happens. Just to see what happens. See if we can somehow manage to. I like that. Alright, I'm break even. I'm out 1 contract. Fuck it. Yeah. Oh, I'm out. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Hey, let's go. Alright, I'm about 1500 already, bro. I'm already up 1500, bro. What the fuck?
This guy's farming, bro. What the heck?
Hey, you take that too, or what? You take that too?
I did.
Let's fucking go. Hey, I'll show y'all my execution right now, bro. Oh my god, that shit was so goofy. That was like that was a pretty free read though, no? I think that was a pretty free read. So I scaled 2 contracts. I got in 2 contracts. That was about 60 points. We think that was about 60 points, maybe.
Depends on where you got filled. I got filled like 864.
864. What was my fill? Yo, y'all take this or what? I mean, obviously, I don't like trading open, but you know, when I have to, not when I have to, but like when it's there, the opportunity presents itself. Like, cause my stop was pretty defined, right? I had a pretty defined stop right here. That's the only reason I went for it. Obviously, there was no confirmation, there was no entry. It was more so playing the free liquidity, not the free liquidity sweep, but more so the free drawn liquidity, right? This is a 1 setup for life type of play where you target the news high. Plus we had liquidity building up, so I just took it. Yeah, but Fu guys already took that long. Yeah, that was pretty funny. All right, fucking hey, I will look for something else. Obviously, I don't think I'll take another legit funded trade because I'm up, but we'll look for some more trades. I'm gonna be chilling today, guys. I don't gotta do much today. So we'll see. My fill was at 49, and then I got in at 59%. Wait, what'd you say your fill was?
864. So you got filled in the heck early, right after we pushed, basically.
Yeah. I got out at 901. 901 and 81. So about 50 points. I hold, yeah.
What decimal for 901?
Yeah, I held one contract for about 50 points and the other one for like another 25, maybe. Not bad, not bad. Pretty free. How's everyone doing though? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Okay, so well, with this now, I'm probably expecting shorts. If we could maybe somehow start reversing to the downside, because now we took the London objective, so now we've taken London objective. I don't see a reason where we kind of push all the way back up to Asia. Of course, that could still happen, but like if we start hesitating around this London high, then I could kind of see us. Like the only way I see us pushing towards Asia high is if we kind of close back above this area somewhere and then just start pushing still, right? If not, we have a decent amount of liquidity back to the downside, plus the higher time frame on the 4-hour has been pretty bearish recently. Like we are in a 4-hour gap and then we started pushing back down, but then now we're kind of pushing back up, which is kind of weird, but yeah. So far we are pushing back up, which is not ideal, but yeah. Zabra, let's see. Yo, Monk, got the payout, but 800 instead of 550. Bro, let's go. Congratulations, brother. You did it. Congratulations on that first payout, brother. Good shit. Hey, yo, send it in the Discord, bro. Let us see. Let us hype you up, bro. Send it in the Discord so we could see the payout. Obviously, blur your name, whatever you need to do, but I want to see it, bro. Congratulations, brother. Good shit. That was all you, man. That was all you. That was all you, my guy. Let's go. Yeah. In the chat. Send it in the chat. I'm waiting. I'm sending it. Yeah, the hard part is to scale. Yep. Pretty much. I'd say take it slow again. Take it slow again. Trade only 1 or 2 accounts now. Save as much of that money as you can. Save as much as that money as you can. And then just scale slowly. We'll go 2 accounts. Try to get a payout with 2 accounts maybe. Honestly, I still recommend just trading 1 account. And then once on your second payout, that's when you scale to 2 accounts. But if you're confident in yourself that you won't blow those 2 accounts and you could handle that pressure, shit, go for it, bro. Got it. Okay, well, ES is kind of pushing towards these highs again, these Asia highs, which I'm kind of expecting maybe now we're bullish again, so. I think we got the best move of the day so far. That was
It is Friday. It's probably gonna chop around.
Yeah, so today's right. It could be choppy. Still got a 800 to play with, so we'll see. Yep. Okay, well, now we're starting to reverse. There is an SMT now, which is interesting. There's an SMT up here. And we are inversing to the downside with this fair value gap. So, is this a good inversion to take? We'll see. I mean, if we continue to close strong, then I might take this. Obviously, I'm not taking another funded play. I'll take on paper for you guys so you guys can see. Do I like this though? I mean, SMT, we swept these London highs already. ES now took these London highs. The only thing I'm kind of sketched out about is now ES isn't really, ES is kind of bullish, right? But I also do not like this wick at all. This closure, right? You do close below the inversion, but like it's look how aggressive we buy back up near the end of the candle, right? That's just a super aggressive buy back up, which is not ideal. I'm not gonna lie, that's not ideal. Because now this is just indicating to me like a shit ton of buying pressure back near like the last 5-10 seconds of this candle closure right here. And guess what kind of the next result is? Like this candle just starts pushing immediately, right? That's why. But yeah, today is Friday, so we just gotta be a little bit careful. Obviously, I already got a trade in, but we had PPI this morning. We just took that PPI high with that candle open. So we could be we could obviously end up chopping around for a little bit. I don't expect this SMT to hold, to be honest. I think we just keep going. Yeah, okay, so we might just end up like continuing higher here, which is fine, I guess. Let me see. There we go. So okay, so we're just gonna continue higher. So now this is better, at least for me now, because now I have a clear vision on where we want to go. So now we're probably just gonna push towards these Asia highs, so we can find an entry. I want us to open up a potential fair value gap over here and then re-enter off of that. That's probably the best case scenario right here. So we can do something like this, push towards these highs. Did anyone take a trade yet, guys? Anyone take a trade yet in the chat? Anyone take a trade yet? I like, besides for that risky play that I took off open, I don't really see an entry anywhere. Maybe you could have taken this right here. Maybe like this this confirmation candle. Actually, that's not even a confirmation candle. What am I saying? Like the only trade I like see potentially at the moment is if we could somehow like retrace back here. So do something like this right here. Like this is the only thing I see right now. But this candle has to not push right here. Like we just kind of have to chill out right here. The next couple candles has to retrace back down here. Tap into this fair value gap and then take off. Just kind of see what happens though. I think we are bullish though for sure. Just based on this PA. If we wanted to be bearish, right, the 4 hour would look completely different. If we wanted to be bearish, then this candle would not be pushing this aggressively higher. Not only that, right? We would not be hanging around this London high at all. Like we would just be selling off right here. Oh, did not mean to do that. Alright, let me do something real quick. Sorry, you guys have to see my face for like a couple seconds. There we go. I'm sorry. There we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now we're about to retap into this fair value gap. Now I want the next candle to maybe potentially just like shoot back up. So basically like a nice closure over here somewhere. So obviously I won't take the tap. I'm waiting for this next candle to close strong, and then I could think about entering the trade. If not, honestly, if not, we continue to sell off. This could be another inversion short entry. So I'm just waiting. So this gives me two different scenarios right here. Gives me two different scenarios right here. But obviously, the thing that's required is a candle closure strong in either direction that I'm thinking. Whatever direction, it's got to be a strong candle closure. I will say, because this is a 4-hour candle and we're about to close in 10 or 15 minutes, I do expect maybe a retrace, like a short-term sell-off back into the range, like just based on how the candle is printing, but we'll see. I don't like that candle closure either, so I don't know, we'll see. Okay, maybe it kind of fixed itself, but you know, that's definitely like a potential short sign right here, but I just don't like that this closure too much, because like look at the bottom wick, right? I'm always telling you guys, like, I'm waiting for like a confirmation candle where there's not really too big of a wick down here. It's just a nice full body closure, but definitely could work. Okay, so now we flipped back down. I would be a little bit more comfortable taking this. The only reason this play is kind of like sus is because we don't really have any good break-even spots that you could go for if you were to take this play. The only spot maybe I see is like you could go break even right here, but like that's already 30 points down, right? At that point you might as well just take the TP. So it's kind of whatever you're comfortable with, but yeah, let's see. Obviously I just put this out as like a visual for you guys. I could say maybe like go break even right now, like once you I say like break even right now just to see with this new candle, and then go down here. Obviously try to hold if you can. Because now, okay, oh, actually wait, this is also data low. What the hell? Okay, so we have two data lows. We also have the PPI low down here. I was really thinking this wick up here, but yeah, just see what happens. This is not a funded play for me because I'm done for the day, but this could definitely potentially work. Should be break even though, just to mitigate risk. There's no point in putting risk on the table. If it wants to dump, it should dump right now. This 4-hour closure right here needs to, like, if we are bearish on the higher time frame, it needs to close back within this range. Plus the 5-minute, like, super strong, nice candle closure right here, right, as well. Okay, so there's the like obvious TP1. This is already TP1 right here. So if you guys are not like out on some or scaled out, like definitely scale out right now. And then the next TP should be right here, right? And then obviously next one right here. And then final TP if you guys could hold that long, which I definitely cannot. I do not have the balls. If you guys don't want to hold till this TP, then the TP down here works way better. This works better as a TP2 right here. So TP1 up here, TP2 right here, TP3. So if you guys are in a couple contracts, scale out with like that in mind. Okay, so now the reason this play I'm a little bit more confident is now because ES closed below these inversions over here. And we're starting to sell off, because now the thing that was kind of holding us up was ES for sure. ES was super bullish compared to NQ. NQ was kind of wanting to sell off already, but we didn't quite do it on the first inversion right here, right? I'll just do this. Show you guys the full RR. So this was like a potential 3R. Actually no, this was like a potential 6R. Obviously, I'm already break even, but more so. Alright, we got tagged break even on this, but it hit TP1, I guess. Hit TP1. I still think maybe potential sell off. But yeah, today's Friday is a good day. We's chilling. I'll probably come out with another video today as well for you guys, and then over the weekend I should be coming out with my new strategy video. The strategy video for me takes a while to make because I have to like go through all my shit, give you guys examples as well. I'll probably do live examples from our past previous YouTube trades, just to show you guys and stuff. But yeah, be on the lookout for that. The monk model, we're gonna name it the monk model. We're gonna name it the monk model because I need a model named after myself, guys. I'm not gonna lie. We got the what was it? The flow state model. We got the IFEG model. We got the I don't even know what other fucking models there are, bro. There's too many. But yeah, the sniper model, the silver bullet, whatever bullshit. I need a strategy named after myself. Anyways, yeah, I still see shorts as a possibility. I like it even more now though, for sure, because now we definitely got stacked lows. But yeah, we'll see. It's super choppy though. Friday is for sure not a great trading day. This PA honestly looks horrendous. If you guys didn't get any of these trades right here, you'd be cooking, you guys. Quick reminder, let's see. Let me see if I can pull it up. Lucid is 40% off, so if you guys still haven't used Lucid, try them out. You guys can get an account for $65. Use my code, of course. Use code MONK, the link in the description. I need that. I need that. Thank you very much. And yeah. Pretty boring. I'll be on for like another 10 minutes or so. Obviously PA, if it hasn't cleared up by then we'll just do something else. Okay, well, we're pushing back up, so this is already not a good sign for trading. Who guys? Shorts was a clean A+ setup. What short was? Wait, show me your entry. You guys stop break even. Show me your entry. See that entry, bro. See. Back to break even yesterday, break even, then TP. If this rips the TP. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so you got in right after that inversion. Nice. Yeah, dude, it was solid, bro. Who guys, did you go break even at this swing low right here, or did you wait till we got closer down here? Near this sell side right here. Did you wait till this sell side closer when we got closer to the sell side, or was it this swing low right here? Was it the first one or the second one? The lower one? Holy shit. Barbara, let's go. Closer to that sell side liquidity, because there's not really good break-even point here. Yeah, this one, because like I see how big your stop is, right? So your stop was way up here, which makes sense. So I think you probably have to close a little bit closer right here. Yeah, that makes sense for sure. This was an A+ trade, bro. This was a good trade. Everything's risk management, solid setup. Unfortunately, it's not working out because market doing market shit, you know. Still a solid trade. Oh, hey guys, in the chat, go hype up Zabra, bro. XV, bro. I don't know how to pronounce this name, bro. Is the most interesting name I've ever heard, bro. Zav, bro. XV, bro. XV, bro. XV, bro. It's gotta be XV, bro. There's no way it's not, bro. Go hype him up, guys. That's beautiful, bro. Look at that. 809.91. Let's go. Congratulations, brother. Hey, you could... Hey, go out. Buy some McDonald's. Buy some fucking Sonic. Buy some Chipotle or whatever. Actually, I don't even know where you live, but... Good shit. Shit, brother. Because, like... guys, if I didn't take this initial first entry up here, then I would have taken 100% this trade exactly how you did it. So that was a really great trade. That was a solid ass trade. Oh, you're in Poland. Don't have Chipotle in Poland. Let's see what they got over there. What do they have in Poland? What the fuck's in Poland? What do they got in Poland? You guys have like a famous fast food restaurant over there in Poland? I like how most of my viewers are just from Europe, bro. We got some guy from Germany, from the Netherlands, from Poland. The main ones, okay. I want to go to Poland now. You guys got a solid food that you guys try? Let's see. What is this, bro? This shit is so funny. Holy fuck. Dude, we're still chopping, bro. This is unbelievable. So also my TPES had already taken out that low, so I should have gone out anyways, but I didn't see it. Okay. Oh, that's smart, bro. I didn't even notice that. Did ES take that low? Oh yeah, we definitely took that low. What the hell? Oh yeah, that's smart, bro. Good shit, good shit. Yeah, big SMT right here. That's a ginormous SMT actually. Yeah, that's probably why we start reversing. ES took that low, huh? ES is just kind of bullish right now, bro, which is... You don't like to see that. You do not like to see that. So we got 3 minutes till this new hourly candle as well as the 4-hour candle. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, not expecting much. What do I want to see? Honestly, so, okay. The best scenario for the rest of the day is for sure shorts. I would like to see shorts. I do not want to see us push any longer. I think on the new 10 hour, or sorry, the new 10 a.m. candle, I think we push back up, and then, so this is what I think is gonna happen on a higher time frame, right? I want the new the new hourly 10 a.m. candle to open up right here, kind of be a little bit bullish somewhat, right? Do some bullish shit, and then eventually make our way down, right? Oops, that is not what I want to do. Let me do this. Like, I want us to do something like this, right? Where we kind of push off initially on the new open of the candle, because you want to create that top wick, right? And then make your way down. Plus, like, look at all this liquidity we have to the downside. Like, look at all this liquidity, guys. Now, like, we have clear targets for downside. We have these London lows that we potentially want to target. But the biggest reason why I want shorts is this swing low right here. This is a data low. I need this data low to get taken right here. I don't need it, but like, this is like the most obvious drawn liquidity. Because now look at liquidity, but then also the swing low. Like, I think shorts make the most sense right here. Okay, so now we're like starting to push back down, which we should have done like way earlier, but I don't know. I think this whole, like, this entire trade right here was a good trade. I think this price up was unnecessary. Like, this little price leg on the way up was just completely unnecessary. If we were to push, bro, we should have just pushed way down, but we didn't quite do that. Now we're doing it right now, which kind of sucks. We honestly might be able to do it before the new 10 a.m. opens, bro, which would suck. This would honestly suck if the new 10 a.m. opens and we just shoot right down. We'll see. Let's see what happens, though. They're so etchy, though. Like, if you want just to slap short, like, go for it, but like, I think we just like shoot back up bullish for a little bit on the next candle open and then slam down. The only other, okay, you know what? The only entry I see right here is this fair value gap. That's the only entry right here. So now that we tapped back into it, clear drawn liquidity, I see this working now. So this could work now. Obviously, I would honestly prefer a candle closure, but that is a tap back into that fair value gap. So if we flip back bullet or bearish right here, like, that's definitely a potential trade right here. But personally, like, wait for something like this, get a retrace down here and then slam down, right? That would be ideal. Good for something like this. But if we don't get anything, then I'm off. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend, bro. See if we get any more momentum back up here. If we just sell off, then we might just sell off, bro. Okay, I mean, if we're just gonna chop, bro, then I'm gonna hop off, bro. This is lame, bro. Okay, there we go, finally. So tap it in here, and now I need a candle closure out of it. Yeah, dude, I just can't see longs at the moment. I don't see longs. This doesn't look bullish to me, to be honest. Obviously, it could work, but I'm waiting for confirmation right here. I will say it does. It looks nice for longs, but like, I just don't like it, like I said. That's a nice reaction off of that, but yeah, that's a beautiful reaction, actually. Like, you could have literally sniped that entry and have your stop loss literally at the swing high. Because now if we revisit the swing high, then we'd probably be bullish. So the fact that we kind of filled in this gap and then immediately started selling off, that's beautiful right here. I love that reaction, actually. And then TP1 would be at the swing low. Obviously, probably break even already. Fugaz, are you in this? I don't know if you are. You probably sniped this. I'm not gonna lie. Knowing you, you probably got in this, right? You probably took a tap, or was it? Did you take confirmation? I don't know if you wait for confirmation. AM in this one up 2K right now. Let's go, Mizu. Let's fucking go. What was your fill? Was it like 59-ish? Or did you take it more confirmation down here, like around 40? Like down here? 850. Oh, so you got a nice entry. That was a beautiful entry. Oh, Fugas, you only take a IFG. I did not know that. Okay. That's beautiful. You should be break even though, Mizu. Just be careful. Just go break even so you don't have to worry about it. I know we got pretty close to this swing low. We didn't quite take it, but like that's a free break even trade right here. So now you don't have to worry. If we are bearish, we should just slam down right here. Break even is the best thing that you guys could do. Like, I would never consider a break even trade a loss, you know? It just helps you get rid of that mental like hurdle of like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose money on this trade, this and that, right? Let's go, Mizu. Good trade, brother. Post it in the Discord, but that is it for me today. Thank you guys for watching. Be on the lookout for a new video today and probably over the weekend sometime. Maybe on Sunday. I'll come out with a video on Sunday, maybe. Overall, pretty trading day. This was not the greatest trading day, but we were patient. I mean, I wasn't patient, but I got this first trade right here. We found another trade on stream right here, and then a third trade on stream right here. So, yeah, that's pretty free. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Have a good weekend.